Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here I'm with another quick tutorial that how to make your Firefox as your default web browser. Now first right click on start icon and go to settings, or otherwise just click on the start icon, and here also you can able to reach the settings options. Now on your left side click on the option apps, and on right side click default apps. Now just type Firefox. You can get the Firefox at the end of the result. Just click the arrow button, and here just you can able to see different type of extensions .htm, .html, .pdf. So like that you can able to change the extensions by clicking on the arrow button and click your Firefox and give OK. For example, I need to open my PDF file in Firefox. I am just clicking on the arrow button and clicking Firefox and OK. So by this you can able to change your default web browser as Firefox. I hope this video tutorial will be helpful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.